Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me here. I hope I can inspire you at the end of my talk. Once again, I'm Marvin Sarrate. I'm a mechanical design engineer. And today we're going to talk about how to transform design into reality. I'd like to begin by asking you this question. What comes first in your mind when you see this kind of images? You can raise your electronic hand if you knew this, alright? Okay, first picture. What comes first? Elon Musk, right? Tesla car. Grabe, ang ganda ng dashboard, no? Lupit. Alright, next picture. Bird's nest. Beijing Stadium, no? Lupit architecture, ang ganda. Alright, next picture. Oh, what comes first? Ano yan? NASA Curiosity rover. Oh, lupit ng design. Out of this world. Literal out of this world. Alright, next picture. What comes first? Ang mahal yan. Yes, Steve Jobs. Yes, iPhone. Well, if you're gonna ask me what comes first in my mind if I see this kind of image, well, definitely how it's made and how do they do it, no? Paano nila ginawa tong design na to? Well, let me tell you a short story. When I was in college, during thesis and project days, and I remember our project that time is we are going to run a two-stroke engine generator using hydrogen as fuel from water. So that time I was tasked to design the chamber and the overall system of that project, and hindi ko lang kung paano gagawin yun. And luckily, may Google na. So I've searched many ideas in the internet, and then I asked also from my colleagues paano gagawin, and eventually I came up with a design. So I decided the size, the dimension, and form ng chamber, as well as yung material na gagamitin. And then eventually, we requested to local fabricator to fabricate it. And then probably around 2 to 3 weeks na deliver na sa amin. And then that's the time nakita ko, I experienced it. Sabi ko, drawing ko lang to. Ngayon, hawak-hawak ko na. And that's the very first time I experienced transforming my idea into design, into reality. So, amazed ako because dahil nga design ko lang to, and then hawak-hawak ko na siya. And then I realized na ganun pala ka powerful yung imagination. Kasi it can turn your design into reality. So, with that, I realized na the first thing you need to have in order for you to convert or transform your design into reality is you need a boundless imagination. Because according to Jim Rohn, quoted here that the great gift of the human imagination is that it has no limits. So imagination has no limits. So that's the first thing you need in order for you to transform your design into reality. Then, going back to the images kanina, so those were samples of the 21st century. So nakita niyo kanina. And being a design engineer, I view it not only on its appearance, but as well as yung function niya. And then yun nga, and how those people came up with that idea. And it even amazed me more just by thinking how much boundless imagination and creativity and strong desire and effort they put it on that projects. And then, so eventually, I continue working. And by the way, yung design pala hindi gumana. It exploded. And then eventually, I improved it, and it works naman. So that's why I graduated. And then moving forward, and then I started working and then continue doing this kind of job. So designing, and this one, this was my photo last 12 years ago. It was at my first job as a mechanical design engineer. And just don't mind the keyboard, no? Lumang-luma na. And I learned many things. And I've transferred many ideas from designing to reality din the time na yan. And then I realized na kulang pala ng imagination na kailangan mo in order for you to convert or transfer your design into reality. You also did one thing, and that is this one. As quoted by Napoleon Hill, the starting point of all achievement is desire. So, bukod sa imagination, you need to have a strong desire in order for you to transform your design into reality. Okay? And then I continue doing this, transforming design into reality by having a boundless imagination and strong desire. And then I came up with this one project that is very complicated at that time. And then I feel that parang kulang yung imagination ko. Kulang yung desire ko ata kasi hindi ako maka-move on dito sa project na to. And then eventually tumagal siya for about probably 4 to 5 weeks. Hindi ko pa rin siya nagagawa. Hindi ako maka-move on sa kung paano ko gagawin itong specific na project na to. And then one day, one of my colleagues said to me that, "What are you doing, Marvin? Ano ginagawa mo? Ba't di mo pa ginagawa yun? Yung project na yan, nahihirapan ka ba or anything?" And sabi ko na lang, I'm practicing Newton's first law of motion. Sabi niya, "Ha? A body stays at rest, remains at rest." Yes. And then he said, "Oh, okay. Probably you need the additional force acting on your body on the direction of your motion." Yun ang sinabi niya. Sabi ko, "Ha?" Sabi niya, "You need an effort." Sabi ko, "Oo nga, no." I realized na that's the definition of effort, but a force acting on its body in the direction of its motion. So, aside from that, he also said that you also need to take action in order for you to move. Sabi ko din, I realized na, oo nga, no, I need to have a continuous effort and I need to take action. That's why this one, quote from Winston Churchill, sabi dito, "Continuous effort, not strength or intelligence, is the key to unlocking our potential." And then sabi rin ni Tony Robbins, he quoted here, "The only possible journey is the one you never begin." So I sum it up, and I have the boundless imagination, strong desire. I added up the continuous effort as well as taking action, and then I completed this project. And this project is this one. I have created my own machine out of idea to design and into reality. And that time I realized na ganun pala ka-powerful if you really put into this imagination, desire, effort, and action into your project. It can transform your ideas into design and into reality. That's why in transforming your design into reality, you will need an idea. It is a imagination, strong desire, continuous effort, and you need to take action. Alright. And then actually you can apply it into other areas of your goal in your life. And like for me, this one, I apply it on teaching, technical speaking, and exploring other fields of engineering. So that's it. That's how I transform design into reality. I'd like to end by saying this quote: chase your dream and turn it into reality. Thank you very much. I'm Marvin Sarrate.